If you've ever wanted to send audio or video from Microsoft Edge to a bigger screen, this guide is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cast media to device in Edge on Windows 10 step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you want to play a video on your TV, stream music to a wireless display, or just mirror media to another device on your network, this feature can be really useful. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 PC. Once Edge is open, go to the page or content that you want to cast. This could be a video website, a music page, or any other media you want to send to another device. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This is where Edge keeps a lot of its extra tools and settings. From the menu that appears, move your cursor to More Tools. When the submenu opens, click Cast Media to Device. At this point, Edge will begin searching for compatible devices on your network. You should see a list of available devices appear, such as TVs, wireless displays, or other supported receivers. Make sure the device you want to use is turned on and connected to the same network as your computer. Then, simply select your device from the list. Once you click it, Edge will start casting the media to that device. If the connection is successful, you should see your content appear on the larger screen almost immediately. If nothing shows up, double check that your device supports casting and that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Sometimes a quick refresh or reopening Edge can help if the list doesn't appear right away. Also, make sure your Windows 10 system and Microsoft Edge browser are fully updated because casting features work best when everything is current. And that's it. You've now enabled cast media to device in Edge on Windows 10 and sent your media to another screen. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the option is. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.